considering whether punishment of termination from service imposed upon a bank employee is shockingly excessive or disproportionate to the gravity of the proved misconduct, the loss of confidence in the employee will be an important and relevant factor. Stop. When an unknown person comes to the bank and claims to be the account holder of a long inoperative account, and a bank employee who does not know such person instruct his colleague to transfer the account from dormant to operative category bracket start contrary to instruction regulating dormant accounts bracket close without any kind of verification and accepts the money withdrawal from such persons, get a token and collects the amount on behalf of such person for the purpose of handing it over to such person. He in effect enables such unknown person to withdraw the amount contrary to the banking procedures, and ultimately if it transpires that the person who claimed to be account holder was an impostor, the bank cannot be found fault with if it says that it has lost confidence in the employee concerned. Stop. A bank is justified in contending that not only employees who are dishonest but those who are guilty of gross negligence are not fit to continue in its service. Stop. Several witnesses were examined to prove the charge. Stop. One of them was H.S. Sharma, who conducted the preliminary inquiry and to whom the respondent had made a statement broadly admitting the facts which constituted the subject matter of the second charge. Stop. Mr. Rawal, who was the cashier, and C. Ohuja, the officiating branch manager, were also examined. Stop. Based upon their evidence, the inquiry officer found the respondent to be guilty of the second charge, and that has been accepted by the disciplinary authority. Stop. The High Court has interfered with the said finding without expressly holding that the said finding of guilt was erroneous. Stop. The High Court has proceeded as if it was sitting in appeal over the departmental inquiry and interfered with the finding on a vague assumption that the respondent must have acted bona fide in an increasing customer friendly atmosphere. Stop. There was no justification for the division bench to interfere with the finding of guilt. Stop. The fact that the criminal court subsequently acquitted the respondent by giving him the benefit of doubt will not in any way render completed disciplinary proceedings invalid.